Hey, welcome back to Art with Pranshi. There's something magical about days like this. The light is soft, the world feels hushed, and I'm surrounded by the smell of acrylics, quiet leaves in my sketchbook, and the distant hum of a Studio Ghibli movie. Today I'm painting a little world of green, bushes thick like whispers in a forest, and leaves that curve like secrets held close. And then it starts raining, and I stop painting. It's funny, isn't it? No matter what I'm doing, rain asks me to pause. I return to the page. Something has changed. The greens are deeper now. The word outside has colored the word inside. There's rhythm in painting, a silence I cannot explain. Just brush to paper, breathe to color. The white leaves you see, I place them carefully, like secrets fluttering in a jungle. They break through the greens, delicate and wild, almost like they're whispering to each other. Stories only leaves would know. I add final strokes to it. The painting is still, but it feels like it's moving. Maybe that's what nature does when you paint it. It stays just long enough to be captured and then runs wild again in your imagination. Thank you for joining me in this video. I hope this painting makes you breathe a little slower, see a little softer, and maybe, just maybe, fall in love with the rain too. If you like slow painting moments like these, then hit the like, share, and subscribe button for more such content. Bye bye. See you.